Yo, what's good? So it's like 6 in the morning. I'm gonna walk y'all through me trading signals and helping the group out so y'all can see the process. So y'all know when y'all get in the group is free if you're under my affiliate link. So if you want to get in here and get free signals, get in the group chat, then click the link in the description below. But I'm just walk you through it. So the first thing I do when I get up is I'm looking at two pairs. All right, I got my where I put the signals at, and then I highlight my girl LaDonna in the group, and she goes live with the traders while I'm calling the signals, and so y'all could trade live together. So it's pretty dope. Right now, I think we got Apple and Facebook. So I'm gonna select these two right here, as you can see, and then I'll mark them up real quick. So I go to the M15. I see the M15 is an uptrend, and we're already getting ready to push up here pretty soon. Based off this, the zigzag's gonna form here, and then we're gonna push up. So I just add a couple of zones, right here so you can see. And I make my stuff real simple, because honestly, it don't take me long to see what I need to see. So, I'll mark a zone here. I'll mark another one there, and probably one more right here. And you do this, just to make sure that you catch them bounces, especially on the M15, because, you gotta have it. Then I go to the M5. I'll look at the M5 right quick, and I say, okay. Sometimes I see the entry early, and sometimes I hate it because I gotta hear them call the signal, but it's like I'll be seeing it early before I get in. Sometimes I miss the entry trying to call the signal, but it's all good. I do see a couple of small zones here, but I'm good. And then the M1, we'll look at that, see where we at on the M1. Yeah, okay, so we good on that. Then I go to Apple, I do the same thing. I go to the M15. We already got people in the group killing it, by the way. You know what I'm saying? Which I can kind of show y'all what they in there talking about right now. We got people in the group just going in all day. You know what I'm saying? So if y'all want to get in this group, let me know. Or just click the link in the description below. But this is Apple. I'm gonna mark this one up. And boom. I already had it marked up from yesterday. We was killing it. So we already in the zone. I think both of these is great buy opportunities, just by looking at it. So I think I'm ready to call the signal. 100%. Yeah. Now I just hit up LaDonna. See, y'all about to see me hit her up over here. I hit her up and I say, yo, I'm ready. I'm hit her with the ready. So y'all can see that. Boom. She'll say okay. And then we're gonna lock in. So now I go back over here to my chats, and now I gotta go to boom. And this is where I'm gonna be calling the signals at, but I'm gonna be using my cell phone to do it. So let me put this right here. Oh snap, drop the mic. I'm trying to get her. Let me put this over here so y'all can see. Hopefully the audio don't mess up. All right, boom. So now that we ready, I get on my phone and I'm like, yo, let's look at it. I gotta get my camera out. So I record on my camera, on my phone, and this is how I call the signal. So I say, yo, we got Apple on a buy coming up. You see the stochastic is low. All right, so the market should be shooting up, and then we got Facebook as well. Now this buy might be a little later because of the M15. The zigzag hasn't formed yet, but you see it's already hitting one of these zones. So we should be going up on a buy as well. But for sure, the Apple trade is ready to buy, y'all. So make sure you get on that Apple. All right, let's get it. And that's how I do it. And then I go over here and I send it to the group, and you'll see it pop up on the screen. Apple and Facebook, and I do buy setup. Boom, send that to the group. All right, and you should see it populate over here once it's done. And then from there, I'm looking to enter my trades, y'all. So now you'll be able to see me. Hey, now I can grab my mic back. I kind of wait to upload before I enter. That way some of the team can enter at the same time. So it's about to upload right now. Boom, just upload it so now you can see it on the screen. And now we like, look, I see one more zone here on this Apple trade. Boom. So now we getting into them zones on that Apple. and we getting ready to buy. So now I'm coming over here to the M1, and it looked like it might take a little while. So I'm gonna go ahead and go 2 minutes on this one, and I'm gonna go ahead and buy. Boom, boom, boom. I do like $300 trades, all right? And this is what I do in the morning. And the reason why I did 2 minutes instead of one, because normally I do 1 minute, is that I just feel like it's taking a while to turn around. You know what I'm saying? So this is my first entry at $300. And if it doesn't go, then I do, you know, a $600 entry. And I go from there, because that's my second entry, and I just keep going from there. But I do feel like this buy is coming. You know what I'm saying? Because it's been pushing for quite some time. And so this is what we're looking at. Facebook, kind of stagnant right now, not really doing much. So we waiting to see what it does. Once the zigzag form again, or if it's gonna push up, then we're gonna hop in on that one too. But I'm gonna wait on it. All right, it looks like Apple so far is going into profit. All right, looking good. Ooh, it shot up crazy, y'all. Look at that. All right, come on, show out. Let me hop in this group chat, see if anybody else is gonna catch it. Sometimes people catch it early with me. Sheesh, man, look at that entry. That's crazy, y'all. That's crazy. I ain't gonna lie. This out the gate. Now, y'all watching this live, baby. Y'all watching this live, yo. I'm gonna have to comment in here right quick and say, yo, Apple went crazy. Boom. Now I gotta get my camera, because I gotta show people the proof in the group. Boom. Yo, I know you see the Apple entry, bruh. The Apple entry crazy. Look at this. 10, 9, 8. You know you gotta count them down. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Run me that money. Stop playing with me. That's 10,000. All right, boom. And then from here, I just upload that. You know, I upload that into the chat, and I just tell them, yo, call Apple. Y'all saw it live. Y'all saw how I do this. You know what I'm saying? I upload that into the thing, and then I go back to the chat, see if anybody else called it. Boom, somebody just said it right there. Called Apple. You know what I'm saying? I hope y'all caught that. All right, now people rolling in. Yo, Apple went crazy. You see it. All right, so this is what we do in this group, y'all. All right, I really just wanted to walk out through it so y'all can see it firsthand that we ain't playing no games, bruh. Look at the entry. And Trans, she stayed killing it on the signals lately. I'm proud of her. Shout outs to Iron. I hope I'm saying that right. Call Apple. I know some more people that's gonna be flooding in here pretty soon. I see people typing it in. You know what I'm saying? The results of the people. Now, this right here, I think my boy Trayvon, he been just killing it every day. He been going in on all type of pairs. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, J Cash, let's go. Hey, I appreciate it. But this is what we do, y'all. As a team, we try to make sure everybody eats. You know what I'm saying? Now, of course, I ain't, you know, everybody don't eat every single time, but for the most part, we've been killing it. I ain't gonna lie. We've been killing it in here, and big blessings, you know what I'm saying? So if you want to get in the group, you know what I'm saying, then let's do it. You know what I'm saying? Get in there, lock in with the team, lock in with the family, and it's gonna go down, man. Other than that, I'ma holler at y'all. See y'all in another video. Peace.
Going to different locations. How they got one, I need some direction. Me and Vinci go up every session. Cook it up, yeah, you know it's no pressure. Yeah, you know how we do what we all in. We can slow up and you never catch.